So friends, in this video I'll be showing you how to change the color of bike in mayhem motorcycle roblox game. So first of all guys, you have to choose your bike, that the color you want to change. So first of all, to get the bike, you have to click on this spawn bike button and choose your bike here. So I'm going to choose this, the my alpha one, and E to drive this bike, and just take a right turn. So I think ping is high, so that's why it is wobbling. I have to yeah, let me try this beginning. Yeah, it might work. Yeah, take a left. I think there is some issue with the internet. And now you have to go to this shop, chop and shop. Just take a turn, enter here, and just click on enter button. This is kind of a garage where you can change the color. So first of all, you have to, let me close this chat section, click on the primary colors and choose the color that you want. So this is the primary color. It will change the primary color of the bike. So I'm going to change it to blue. As you can see, it's changed to blue. But to purchase blue color, you have to spend 75 gears. So I'm gonna purchase it. Now my color of the bike has been blue. Now just close it. Now you can go back and you can change the secondary color. So I'm gonna change. So which color will be better with blue? So I think yellow will be better. Let's try this. Yeah, it is looking cool. And let's try this as well. So just purchase by using 75. Close it. What can I do more with this? Oh shit! I just came out of the. I to choose my again bike. Click on enter to again enter into this. Now you can change the wheel colors and you can use decals. You can use the images like, okay, this look much better. Or can use a trial. So fine, so you can do this as well. So let's come out. So yeah, that's how you can basically do that and change the color of the bike in mayhem motorcycle game. Hope you enjoyed it and hope you like it. So someone was asking me in the comment section, how can we speed up is the characters walking. So guys, you have to add the script to do that. So you can open the Roblox and add your script. You just need to increase the walk speed of your character. So let me show you my bike after changing color, and you can see it's been now blue and yellow. So usually ping usually high when your internet is low, and there must be any server problem. So you have to fix that before using it, and it usually lags on mobile, but on PC I have my PC has 16 GB RAM, that and still it is lagging, guys. So you can imagine why. And to do really, you just need to press control. I have. So yeah, hope you like it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.